Are you happy? I am Ephthemius, communicator of the book Egonect. The Egonect is available at Amazon. A Whisper 1928. In order to be saved from the cruel part of ourselves, we must walk towards the light of truth and surrender ourselves with trust in its friendly wisdom. Yes, we must hug our total and real self with absolute love, trust, and goodness because we are everyone as the only reality and immortal entity. Whisper 1929. We must first hug the truth as to what the earthling truly is and not to distance ourselves from and stop the killing with which we get rid of every time and utmost and without the slightest hesitation, the one who dares to talk to us about this truth and the beauty of a human reality. Let alone we must not become feverishly upset with when we hear about the grand truth of our celestial connection with our ego and immortality, meaning we must accept the need of how responsible we must be and how merciful we must become towards our total self. Whisper 1930. We must show the courage to declare and believe that as the only immortal entity, we can create and control our own destiny. Whisper 1931. There is always a way and a safe path for us to arrive at the height of the spiritual point we want, as long as we decide to do it, and at the same point to find the good self that definitely our being is in our mind. Yes, to hug our whole life by capturing the only truth, ourself, which exists in the vast ocean of our spiritual existence, and then only the truth will embrace us always as our real self. Whisper 1932. Egonect has been written only for the immortal human because only the human can understand it, and it involves and speaks extensively about the last teardrop of the earthling, not of the human. Yes, a visible teardrop of the earthling which was able to appear on planet Earth as an individual cosmic and celestial entity. Whisper 1933. Egonect speaks about a teardrop because only the earthling can produce a real teardrop under emotion, and only the earthling can create two types of teardrops. And this is true. We are talking now about a real teardrop coming from the eye of a really alive entity. Whisper 1934. The substance of each kind of a teardrop is different in quality, thickness, and purity from each and every individual earthling's tears, a sign of real life. The Egonect introduces our future self, Ephthemius.